P&J Productions present.
You know what our Mandingos? Tornado of the Glass. Oh yes.
Rascals. Detected an intruder and shot and killed him. So I hope you all do the same, because you'll save us a job. I tell you, I'll say there was a case a few years ago, a bloke in a rural part of Norfolk. They called him Martin. Fred Martin, I think his name was. That's Turnpike Link. He lived in a remote farmhouse. He was like a bachelor, but he had the family house, and these two gypsies broke in, and he shot at them. One of them got injured in his leg. I think it might have severed an artery. They ran to a nearby field, and the other one bled out and died, and his mate fucked off. And that bloke, bless him, he suffered years and years. I think he went to prison.
You know, fighting against that, and I guess the rest of his party basically told him, "No bullshit. We're barely surviving as it is right now. We can't afford it if the United States put 400% income, tariff on our products." But Trudeau and his party, they did not want to hear that. My little granddaughter the other day, she was talking about somebody was in a real bad wreck, and she's seen the airbags was blown on the car, but she didn't see the people inside the car. She's 10 years old, and so I asked her, I said, did their head go popping off and roll over in the ditch? And she looked at me and she says,
So we've got Sleepaway Camp 1, 2 and 3, The Burning, Friday the 13th box that I've got. I've also got to order another one called, I'm going to order the Blu-ray version of The Burning. My graded version is going to go to the bin. And I've come across another one called The Madman, which is another, I think, 1981. I want to get them all in categories, so all my Draculas, from Bela Lugosi to Christopher Lee, and all that. All the Frankensteins from Bela Lugosi, Boris Karloff, no, not Bela Lugosi, Boris Karloff, and right, Christopher Lee, Peter Cushing. I want to get them all together, and when I do get it done, I can just imagine a twat like you coming along going,
You've got to build a surprise every time. 1 toilet, 2 toilets, 3 toilets, depending on the side of the house. Guaranteed. Skidamaddiners right down the back of the toilets. They must have done it on purpose. You know, if you're sitting in the toilet and you sit like offset, like side. Just get the tent tucked down. I'll try and get a couple of shots of it first in the snow. And then I'm not going to mess around. I'll see you legends when I'm back down at the bottom of the bale. Hopefully with the engine running, getting a nice warm. You know, makes sense. Let's get cracking.
This is it. Carling. Burton-on-Trent. Carling Original Lager. Google it. YouTube. Carling Black Label. Classic adverts.
Me a lot because they were like dancing along and moving their heads to the music. I was mind blown when I saw that. Some animals are a bit more cautious when it comes to human beings. They will be scared at first and it will take some time getting used to each other. But they always end up coming and seeing what the singing is all about. I get to meet